Right back, right back. You said you're cooking the rooster, you're cooking the rooster, you're cooking the rooster. That's what I heard. Hey, Windjammer, you're cooking the rooster up in my radio, no doubt about it, big brother. In fine style, too, coming out of Georgia. Windjammer all over the coast of Maine. BB, read the mail. Bye-bye-bye.
BB, you take it easy.
You got a stick out on the road right now. You're taking sole control over my radio right there, Windjammer. Hey, Windjammer, you're taking sole control over BB's radio right about there, man. No doubt about it. Good job, Windjammer. BB up in the state of Maine, northeast side. Bye-bye-bye.
Y'all take care of SwitchBlade on the driver. Get down. This way. I'm going to get out the dead rooster's way. Get your radio. BB, Windjammer. Bye-bye-bye.
410 Windjammer, you're all done roasting the rooster, and now you're going to go down and eat some food. Hey, Windjammer, put it on you next time, brother. Pleasure with the double measure. BB up north. I'll see you. Bye-bye-bye. Click!
They got to roll it when I'm on it. They can't roll it when I'm not on it, because that's going to be bogus. They got to roll it when I'm on it. Bye, BB. I'm going back to the Netflix. Bye-bye-bye.
410 Windjammer, you said you're going back to the Netflix, and you know what? The gate don't lie, brother. Hey, Windjammer, the gate don't lie, the gate don't lie, the gate don't lie. You're going to get back to your Netflix, Windjammer, BB in Maine. I'll see you. Have fun. Bye-bye.
I just want to take a ride. I'm not walking over me, they're stepping on me. I can't pop up, so I shut up. Take care. One ride, SwitchBlade on the driver. Bye-bye. Take care. One. Take care. Whistle well. Amazing grace around your place. One, Tony. SwitchBlade. Getting down. That's right, you little right wagon. I'm gonna pull this one back now. I'll be back a little bit later on. I'm 10-6 and 3/4. Let me let you know I'm not going to SwitchBlade. SwitchBlade. Man, I told you conditions jacked up. This is some of the worst condition. I can hear people, but every time I get off the line, you should write it different. Boss, is that you? SwitchBlade only 300.
It's time to you, Mr. Wagon Wheel, the Mailman with the 4-in-1 wave. Mr. Wagon Wheel, break.
I see your citizen. The wolf right back. Come on. I give up. 459 keyed up that time, made it up. I give up, guys. Y'all, I ain't gonna give up, but damn it, I'm gonna give up, though. I'm not giving out, but I'm damn sure gonna give up. Man, it's jacked up. SwitchBlade 10-6, bye-bye.
I'm gonna go 10-7 meatball, baby.
Oh, no, hell no. Boy, ain't no condition out there. I ain't calling you no damn meatball. Ain't no condition out here, Kevin. Ain't no condition out here. You ain't no freaking meatball. I ain't calling you no damn meatball. Ain't no condition out here. I told you once that time. But I ain't got no pounds on you worth of nothing. Take care of you crazy cat, nigga. SwitchBlade with no condition. 10-6. Bye-bye.